Man, the view here is better. I like it. Now we're in a garden cafe. Alright guys, this is our view while eating. And the food is great. You know, they have Indian cuisine, steak, salad, pasta. This is what I'm eating right now. Is chicken tenders, masala, vegetable masala, and mushroom masala. Indian cuisine. So after this, I'm gonna go to sleep. We are going to our stateroom 8619. Alright guys, this is exciting. Look at the all refurbished rooms. Man, I'm excited to go in. Let's see. Whoa. Wow, this is good. Tons of spaces. Flat screen TV. Multiple storage areas on the right side. And at the end, there's like 5 cubbies. Look at that. And the restroom is amazing. Sliding one. And I will fit there for sure. Very nice. It's brand new, man. It feels like it's brand new. Shrimp scampi. Wow, the scampi is really creamy. That's about the shrimp. Look at the flounder. It's glistening. Ayos.
Connection.
There you go. You know, the weather is good. This is the kind of weather that I like. Nice! Woo! Again, thank you for joining me tonight. We're gonna be here in the cruise for about 7 days. Alright, we're leaving Seward. It's a really small town. That's the town. We were there a while ago.
Ooh, let's go. I do 1, 2, 3. Here?
Ah, it is. See, you can see.
Wow.
And it's a gimbal, so it's.
Oh, wait. You can move it. It
yeah.
swivels.
So it.
That's really cool.
All right. Have a good one. Can we go one lap? Just one lap. Yeah, it's cold. And I'm wearing a short. Here you go, guys. So this one lap is 1 mile is 2 point. Okay, now we're still in the port side. Imagine if there's no clouds, man. All right. I think we are clear. The pilot just left. they're yelling because it's cold. I would be too, man. Look. She's covered up with a couple of layers. It's still cold. Well, I have a lot of heat source inside, you know. Fatty tissue. This is good because we just ate and we're burning calories. You're 135. What's that? 40 plus 13. Father, mother. Hopefully I lose weight. I gained 3 pounds already. Alright, we are here in the library. Better seats. Nice viewing area. Wow. This is good. And they're offering some classes. Painting. Look at this, guys. Time check right now. You won't believe it. What time is it right now? 11:01. And look, it's still with sunlight. I can't believe it. And we are here at Oshehan for a midnight snack. Well, guys, this is legit.